What's up guys, it's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists, coming to you with another tool review. Let's check it out. So I wanted to bring to you a product that I use almost every single day, and I probably use it in spaces that you would never think that you're going to use it. And what I'm talking about is the MagnaTek Mat. What I really like about this product is the versatility of it. There's so many options you can use this thing for. Protecting paint. I was always big with like a microfiber on the roof of a car, putting tools on it, and they would kind of move around. You have a chance of scratching the car. So when Vince came out with this last year, I was like, I've got to have one. And I remember ordering it as soon as it came out. And it comes in this nice tube. So if you like to keep them nice and neat, you can keep the tube, keep it in there. Should keep it nice and clean. And it's just a good product. It's well made. It's got a bunch of magnets in it that keep it on the car. You even have a chance sometimes if I'm working on a tight lot, I can jam it on a car, put tools on the side, and you can grab them as you go. Cleans up really nice. I use this thing, like I said, I use it almost every single day, and it is not torn, not weathered, no major issues. I also use it a ton of times on Jeeps. So when you fold the hood up on a Jeep, put this up where the windshield is. You used to have to put a microfiber, and this will protect it. Daniel Grom gave me an idea of, he has some of these and he cut them into little pieces and he uses them on his motorcycle tanks or his little fuel doors. A lot of times, we just did a Mustang last week and it was freshly painted, and we just folded it up, put it on the bumper, and put the tool, and you're removing there. And it's just, it's so versatile. It's an awesome tool. All right, Vince has come out with a version 2 of the MagnaTek Mat. So the version 1, like I've said, we've had it for a year, put it through the battle. I'm in body shops a ton. I use this thing all the time. So it came out with version 2. And what we have here for version 2 is this outer ring is just a little higher, you can see. It does not have the tip holders, which are these here. I don't even use those. I just kind of let the tips sit right on the magnet. It's got the same amount of magnets on the back, and he has come out with 2 different colors. So he has this lime green, and he has a Ferrari red is what he calls it. It's just an awesome product. Vince did a great job. It was a need in the industry. Like I said, I've got 3 of them because I use them all the time. But this thing is awesome. I really like the lime green. It should be good on the car. I know a lot of guys were having issues with leaving the black ones on the cars, and you would forget about it and walk away. I don't think you're forgetting this. So just wanted to bring that to you, how great this product is. I do have the only issue that I have with this tool. Like I said, I work in a ton of body shops. And the issue that I have is if there's metal shavings on the car or on the floor, if this falls on the floor, it's gonna grab those metal shavings. And one thing you have to make sure you do is clean this surface and try to get the metal shavings off. Reason I say that, sometimes you're on a roof, it's on the roof and you're gonna try to slide it across, it's gonna scratch the car. But you have no way of eliminating that. So the main thing is just keeping the maintenance on this, keeping it up, keeping it clean. You should not have a problem. I haven't had to paint any roofs yet, so we've been super lucky. But it's a super optionable tool. I mean versatile. But you really can't go wrong with this thing. Like I said, just an honest review on a really good product. It's gonna last you a lifetime. You'll use it more instances than you think. So if you want to get one of these, get yourself one of these at MagnaTekMat.com. Vince is a super nice guy, super big in the industry, has done a lot in the industry, and just has a great product. So get yourself one. Remember guys, keep it real. See ya.